Hello everyone, James is here. Welcome again to Easy English Talks podcast.
And hi everyone, I'm Emma. Today, we're going to explore one of the most important tenses in English, the past simple.
That's right. The past simple tense helps us talk about actions, events, and situations that happened in the past. And honestly, we use it all the time.
Absolutely. If you want to tell stories, talk about your weekend, or share your experiences, you'll need the past simple.
So let's start from the beginning. Emma, how do we form the past simple tense?
For regular verbs, it's really easy. We just add ed to the base form of the verb. For example, work becomes worked, watch becomes watched, and clean becomes cleaned.
Exactly. But, and here comes the tricky part, English also has many irregular verbs that don't follow this rule.
Oh yes, those can be a little confusing. For example, go becomes went, see becomes saw, have becomes had, and do becomes did.
And let's not forget the verb be. It changes to was or were. For example, I was happy yesterday, or they were tired after the trip.
That's right. So we use the past simple to describe something that happened and finished in the past. Like, I watched a movie last night. The action started and ended yesterday. It's complete.
Perfect. We often use time expressions to make it clear when something happened. For example, yesterday, last week, last night, 2 days ago, in 2020, or when I was a child.
Yes, these little words and phrases help listeners know that you're talking about the past.
Let's give some examples to make it clear. Emma, what did you do last weekend?
Last weekend, I visited my parents, cooked a big dinner, and watched a funny movie. What about you?
I went hiking with some friends, and then we had pizza together. It was a great day.
Nice! And all the verbs we just used, visited, cooked, watched, went, had, are all in the past simple.
Exactly. Now, how do we make negative sentences in the past simple?
For negatives, we use did not or didn't plus the base form of the verb. For example, I didn't watch TV last night, or he didn't go to work yesterday.
So even if the verb is irregular, we still use the base form after didn't. Like, I didn't eat breakfast, not I didn't eat breakfast.
Yes, that's super important. Did already shows that the sentence is in the past, so the main verb stays simple.
And what about questions?
For questions, we use did plus subject plus base verb. For example, did you go to the party? Or did she call you?
And remember, no past form after did. We don't say, did you went? We say, did you go?
Exactly. Many learners make that mistake, so be careful.
Let's do a quick mini quiz for our listeners. I'll say a sentence and you tell me if it's correct or incorrect.
Sounds fun. Go ahead.
Okay, number 1, I didn't went to school yesterday.
That's wrong. It should be, I didn't go to school yesterday.
Correct. Number 2, she buyed a new phone.
Nope. Also wrong. The verb buy is irregular, so it should be, she bought a new phone.
Good job. Number 3, they was late.
Oops. It should be, they were late.
Exactly. And number 4, did you see that movie?
That one's perfect.
Great. Now, let's give our listeners some practice sentences. Emma, can you say some sentences in the present, and I'll change them to the past?
Sure. I play football on Sundays.
I played football on Sundays.
Nice. She eats breakfast at 8.
She ate breakfast at 8.
We go to school together.
We went to school together.
Awesome. Now let's try negatives. He likes coffee.
He didn't like coffee.
They study English.
They didn't study English.
Perfect. And finally, let's try some questions. You work yesterday.
Did you work yesterday?
She call her friend.
Did she call her friend?
Wonderful. You're on fire today, James.
Thanks. I practiced a lot. Now, before we finish, let's talk about pronunciation. The ED ending can sound different, right?
Yes, that's a great tip. The ED ending can have 3 sounds, t, duh, or id.
For example, worked ends with t, played ends with duh, and wanted ends with id.
Right. So t after voiceless sounds like helped, duh after voiced sounds like cleaned, and id after t or duh like needed or wanted.
That's so useful. Learners should practice saying those endings out loud.
Yes, it really helps with speaking and listening.
So to sum up, we use the past simple to talk about completed actions in the past. Regular verbs take ed, irregular verbs have special forms, and we use did for negatives and questions.
Perfect summary. And remember, practice makes perfect. Try writing 5 sentences about what you did yesterday and share them in the comments.
That's a great idea. Practice every day, and soon you'll feel confident using the past simple.
All right, everyone. That's it for today's episode. We hope you enjoyed learning with us.
Don't forget to subscribe and share the video with your friends. Bye and see you next time. Bye-bye.